Hi everyone, this is Sylvia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share amazing tips on how to get always positive 5-star reviews from your guests. Either it's Airbnb, VRBO, or any other website you're renting your property on. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're new to it, like this video and share it because that's gonna help me and it's gonna help you and other hosts to get amazing tips and learn something exciting and improve your property. Let's get into it. Hi everyone, this is Sylvia. As you know from other videos, I love properties. I do short-term rental, vacation rental on Airbnb, where I'm a super host since 2018, and VRBO, where I'm a premier partner. I share a bunch of good tips, and today we're going to talk about the reviews, which are so important for the algorithm to push your listing up there and get more bookings. Just like it will push this video if you put a like and subscribe button. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and share this video for more helpful future tips. Let's just get into it. Getting good reviews is essential, and it's very important to actually hustle for them. Obviously, you have to offer a great service through your rental, but also don't be shy to ask the guests the reviews. That was my mistake in the past. I wasn't really asking for reviews, and then I learned my lesson because you do really need those. Make sure you do specifically ask the guest after they check out, and if you had a positive experience with that particular guest, you say, hey, thank you for your stay, thank you for respecting our home, we are happy to learn any advice from you if you want to tell us where to improve, and we hope you had a 5-star stay with us. Can you please leave us a review? We're so grateful for it. Why do I say 5-star? Because a 4-star review, even though it's nice, it's not a 1-star, it's 4-star, is still considered a negative review for Airbnb standards. Yes, it's strange and it's frustrating, but when a guest leaves 4-star review, especially when they had an amazing stay at your property, it's very frustrating, because that's why you have to tell the guest, hey, if you love the house and you had an amazing vacation, can you please leave us a 5-star review? Because actually a 4-star review is not considered a good review according to Airbnb guidelines, because it will push your property way down there and you will have less bookings. And especially in Europe, I learned that people without any particular reason, they will leave you 3 or 4-star review even if they had an amazing vacation, just because they think a 4-star is a good review, and it's not. So you have to be specific and ask them for 5-star review. So that's what I started to do, and I've been quite successful. And if you had a negative experience with a guest, that things happen too. You just have to either ask them, please tell us where to improve, or offer a discount. You know, sometimes things break and you don't expect them to break. Let's say your microwave broke just on the day of checking in, and that particular guest loves to make their meals in a microwave. So you have to find call your insurance and find somebody, technician, to fix the microwave. It will take probably at least a couple of hours, if not a day or even more. So what you can do is just offer that guest, hey, I'm so sorry this happened. We didn't expect it. We never had this issue before. Can we just give you a discount to make you happier? So you offer a little discount, and I'm sure they'll appreciate it. And most of the times, guests, if you have a good communication with them, they will understand these things. Things happen. But make sure, this is a very important tip, make sure you go straight into solving the problem. Don't waste time. Call the handyman, pay the extra money to get the technician coming to your property and solve it immediately. Don't leave people with broken items for days because sometimes they just stay at your house for 2 days. So they will leave you a bad review, or you will not be able to, have the confidence to ask for a review after they experienced this. Maybe it's nothing major, but still they didn't have a 5-star stay at your property. So you want to avoid these things and don't be greedy to just give them a discount. Pay the technician extra, just get it solved straight away. This is very, very important. Have reliable people on your team. Have a housekeeper, have a couple of housekeepers, or use the cleaning companies that you trust and build a relationship with them so they know exactly your property, they know how to deal with it, they know when and how to make videos and pictures of the property if there's any damages. Make sure you have a trusted handyman, a trusted gardener if you have outdoor spaces, so that things go well. And if something doesn't go well, you go straight away to those people for help. Also, if you travel and you're not in town available for a guest, make sure you have a reliable person, either it's again your housekeeper or handyman, somebody that the guest can contact. But an ideal scenario, have a reliable person like a friend or a relative who lives in the area, who could be reached out if the guests have any issues. So have that extra contact on emergency numbers for your guests, because you don't want them to be like with something broken, and if you're traveling and they can't reach you, and just things get messy and they are not happy, and then you can't get that good review that you want to, that will help you to get the listing up there and get bookings. So make sure you have a great team and pay them well and build those relationships. Don't change every time, unless obviously there's a bad service there. So my last tip on this video, also make sure you have an insurance that cover the appliances in your property, like the fridge or microwave or dishwasher or washing machine, just because you don't want to pay out of pocket every time something breaks. And obviously things do break with years passing. So if you have one of those insurances, it makes life easier, it makes it less expensive, and some of them are really good and they help you straight away. So I'll just share below the one we use, or just go on Google and say top insurances in your town or your country and decide where it's really worth the money, especially depending on the property, but it is worth it, considering the fact that many people use your property and not everybody's super respectful of the items you have in, so it's handy to have those kind of insurances. And if something breaks, again, I will keep repeating it over and over. Get on the phone and get things solved, even if it means you have to stay on hold with the insurance or technician for an hour, 2 hours. But trust me, if you solve the issue very fast, the guest will forgive you. I had a family who arrived to the house and they couldn't have a hot shower. It's so embarrassing because the previous guest left the shower handle broken and our housekeeper didn't notice it. I don't know how that happened. It's super embarrassing, but we got straight away, we called the handyman and it was solved within a couple of hours, and the guest actually left us a super positive review, so he did forgive us. I don't remember if we gave him a discount for this kind of situation, but he did forgive us for that. But it's kind of, your guest cannot have a hot shower, so I was super apologetic, I was shocked, and I went straight to work to solve the situation. And again, yeah, once you solve it and give them a discount, you still have hope for a good review. You know, it's the reality of being a host. And if you have experiences like that, or if you have any questions, please comment below. I would gladly prepare new videos on this topic or anything relating to short-term rental. I hope this is super helpful to you guys. I hope you can use these tips and make your properties even more amazing, and go there, rent them to amazing people, and hope you have only wonderful guests and get that extra income through short-term rental. Like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you on the next one. Have an amazing day.